गेम खेल लिया, तो वो ज़रा मुनासिब बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ये तो तस्लीम शुदा बात है। अगर हम आगाज़ करेंगे सबसे पहले, तो वो उन्होंने खुद ही आपको दरख्वास्त की जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे कि जी मुझे साल देते हैं। आपने इतना फराखदिली दिखाई, आपने कहा साल ले लो पहले। तो फिर ये आप जो है ना, ये आप अपना कवर करने के लिए हम पे डाल रहे हैं। मगर आप कसूरवार थे, आपने साल अगर ना देते, कुछ कम वर्ष देते, तो शायद हो जाती बात।
The Form 66, they're dated 22nd of December, sir.
Which are the sections you quoted?
So the sections I quoted are, sir, for the party affiliation certificate, section 66.
अभी दूसरे वाले
दूसरा section 104.
No, 208 and 209.
I beg your pardon, sir. 208 and 209, my lord.
So the date of the certificate is what?
So the dates of the certificates, there's various. There's a lot of them there, and they're basically principally of 13-1, sir.
Right.
And the Form 66 are all dated 22nd, which is when the ECP
So when
order
the
was
22nd of
December, sir. Please, my lord.
23. Every certificate is not on 13th.
I beg.
Every certificate is not on 13th.
My lord is absolutely correct.
Certificates were issued prior to 13. Mr. Gore was chairman.
Absolutely correct, my lord. But that's why I said they're principally issued on the 13th. There's some of the 12th also.
Principally, it should have been attached with the nomination paper, which is the last date is 24th December.
जी.
वो principally तो वो होना है.
My lord, वो मैंने सबमिट किया था. I've already said कि वो section वो before applying for symbol, that's the cutoff date. For that, I've made submissions on that for my lord.
अगर आप थोड़ा सा इस तरह बता दें, क्योंकि अपनी बंच ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट दिए जिसमें तमाम लोगों के जो कैंडिडेट्स थे उनके नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स हैं. नॉमिनेशन पेपर में लिखा है कि सर्टिफिकेट अटैच्ड, और बहुत सारे के साथ सर्टिफिकेट उसी दिन अटैच्ड, जो कि लास्ट डेट ऑफ सबमिशन ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर दैट वाज 24th of December. By that date the judgment was not in field, क्योंकि जजमेंट तेरा एक को
Lord, but the ECP order, I'm sorry to interrupt, my lord. My lord, these are the three dates which may be noted. The ECP order is dated 22nd of December, 2024. 23, I beg your pardon. We haven't reached that yet. Sorry, my lady. So, my lord, the ECP order comes first, which holds that there is non-compliance with section 208 and 209. That came on 22nd of December. Then, my lord, there is the Peshawar High Court judgment, which comes on 10/1/2020.
But then there is another important date, which is 26th of December, when that judgment got suspended.
ठीक है जी.
So we'll have to see during that period when the certificate was correct.
Absolutely. I'm with my lords. I concede this, and so my submission is that majority of them, my lord, जो हैं वो 13 के हैं. And 22nd को तो ऑर्डर जिस दिन आया है उस दिन तो फॉर्म्स 66 उस डेट के थे. But my lord has noted my submission. I'll move on. Grateful.
लेकिन आप ये भी हमें बताएंगे कि जो तरीके का